Tired of struggling with clunky, unreliable machines that ruin your projects? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best sewing machines on Amazon that can take your sewing to the next level. From smooth stitching to durable build quality, I'll break down what makes each machine stand out, and yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crafter, these picks can make sewing faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Let's dive in. Number 1. Overall best pick, Brother Serger Heavy Duty Metal Frame. The Brother 1034D Serger is a powerhouse for anyone looking to level up their sewing. Its heavy-duty metal frame feels solid and durable, and the machine runs smoothly up to 1,300 stitches per minute, perfect for finishing seams quickly and cleanly. The removable trim trap saves fabric scraps, keeping your workspace tidy, and the 3 included accessory feet give you versatility for different serging tasks. On the downside, threading the loopers can be tricky for beginners, and the machine is quite loud during operation. But if you're serious about professional quality seams, this serger delivers excellent performance and reliability. Number 2. My second best pick, Singer Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 high-speed sewing machine is a dependable workhorse for both beginners and experienced crafters. Its super strong motor, which runs up to 1,100 stitches per minute, handles heavier fabrics like denim, canvas, and leather without slowing down. The full metal frame keeps the machine stable, minimizing vibration while sewing. With 110 stitch applications, there's plenty of versatility, and the one-step buttonhole makes finishing garments quick and clean. On the downside, the machine can be especially at high speeds, and some users mention it struggles a bit with tension control, which may take a bit of fine-tuning. Number 3. My third best pick, Brother Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Brother HC 1850 sewing and quilting machine is a versatile and feature-rich tool, making it ideal for both beginners and more advanced sewists. With 185 built-in stitches, you have a ton of creative options, from decorative and quilting stitches to basic utility ones. The bright LCD display helps you easily select stitch patterns, and the included 8 presser feet, like the walking foot and zipper foot, add real value. The drop-in top bobbin is a breeze to refill, which makes sewing less frustrating. My only con? The machine isn't super powerful for very heavy fabrics, like multiple layers of denim or leather, but for everyday sewing and quilting, it's a fantastic pick. Number 4. My fourth best pick, CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine. The CraftBud Mini Sewing Machine is a charming, compact option for beginners, whether adults or kids. I love how portable it is. The dual-speed feature lets you sew slowly for accuracy or speed things up when you're more confident. The included extension table gives extra workspace, and the generous 122-piece gift set with fabrics, a project book, needles, and more makes it a complete starter bundle. The built-in light helps you see stitches clearly even in dim corners. On the downside, the motor isn't very powerful, so it struggles with thicker or heavy fabrics. But for light projects and learning, it's really fun and practical. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, DitizHub Sewing Machine. The mini portable sewing machine with 12 built-in stitch patterns and 2-speed foot paddle is a solid pick for beginners and kids alike. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to store or carry. The multiple stitch options let you experiment with straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches as you learn, while the 2-speed pedal helps you slow down for precision or speed up once you're confident. The included 27-piece kit, complete with fabric, thread, and tools, is super handy to start right away. On the downside, the motor isn't very strong, so it struggles with thicker fabrics or multiple layers. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Have a favorite sewing machines? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're
like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.